everybody, Ace here, Restoration Warehouse. Well, we recently shot a highlight video of this '09 Chevrolet Corvette Callaway Edition. So we wanted to get it out and show you what it really feels like to ride around in this Callaway. And it's a whole lot of fun. So we wanted to show you what it's like to drive one of these fun cars that we've got at Restoration Warehouse. So this is a '09 Chevrolet Corvette Callaway Edition. And so it's Whipple supercharged. It's got lowered stance. It's got aftermarket wheels, exhaust system, intake, different tune. It's just a whole different driving beast of a Corvette than what you would have found in 2009. So it's automatic, everybody can drive it, but it's also a whole lot of fun. Yeah, it will get down the road with that Whipple supercharger. So that's what you're hearing in that whine. And it's also a car that gets upwards of almost 30 miles to the gallon. So you can road trip in this car, or you can just cruise it, or you can get on it and show everybody what this car is made of. So I kind of took a hobby that I loved as a kid. I've kind of grown up around cars my entire life. I was never much into sports. I enjoyed going to sports events, but it's not been one of my favorite things. Cars have always been my passion. Cars and motorcycles. I probably took a fun hobby and ruined it, and a lot of car guys will tell you that when they start working in the industry, that's what happens. But I don't. I love it every day. People relate to cars. You don't even have to be a car guy or girl. You can just go, I remember when my grandparents, my parents, my neighbor down the street had a cool car, and I always thought, hey, that'd be really neat one day. And so sometimes we get to sell people dreams. Hope you like this ride along video of this 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Callaway Edition. That whine of that supercharger is something that's pretty awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give me a call, 865-409-5407. You can get more information on this car or any of our other ones at restowarehouse.com. Again, I'm Ace. Keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.